morning, everyone. We're here this morning at Khao Sok. What's the name of the lake called again?
Khao Lan Lake.
Khao Lan Lake. So we just hired ourselves a private boat for the day. It cost 2,000 baht. They did a couple extra charges, so it's 300 baht per person to get into the park. And then on top of that, I think we paid 250 baht per person for lunch. So they're going to stop us somewhere for lunch a little bit later on. But for now, we've just taken off from the pier. We're going to head to some of the really nice spots, do a bit of filming. We're going to try and do a drone launch from somewhere, maybe even a boat. And then they're going to stop us over at the rafts. Where did they go?
Tree Mountain or something.
Tree Mountain, yeah.
One of the lake houses.
Yeah, one of the lake houses. So we're going to go for a swim at one of the lake houses. But for now, looks like we're just on our way there. I think it's going to be probably another 45 minutes until we get there, half hour-ish. So for now, just enjoy the view. Check out this view, this is freaking awesome.
I wish to be me.
I'm not broken, I'm just split in two.
just a quick stop for lunch at the Sai Chol Raft resort here, or boathouses, I think they prefer. But Sai Chol Raft, yeah. So this is our spread of food.
Yeah, and it's a spread, alright.
Yeah.
It was a bit exy, the price for lunch to Springfield, but now that we see what we get,
Yeah.
it's a pretty good deal.
Yeah, we were questioning why it was 250 baht to pay at the start, but I mean, we've got a Thai style omelette there. That looks like a sweet and sour sort of stir fry dish. We've got a bowl of curry there, a whole fried fish. We've got our big thing of rice here and some fruit for dessert. So, I mean, fish normally is pretty expensive around here, so 250 baht a person is not too bad considering it's just the two of us sharing. So, yeah. From here, I think we're going to a new spot to go for a bit of a swim. I'm not sure how far from here though it would be.
No idea. They did show us on the map initially, but it all looks the same pretty much.
It does, yeah.
Next to a jagged cliff,
Yeah.
and then you get the next spot's next to a jagged cliff. So it'd be pretty easy to get lost here. The place is enormous. It's just like going around the islands of PP or something, like in the ocean. But it's really calm
inland.
water.
Yeah.
It's a lake.
Inland
That's how
lake,
enormous this thing is.
yeah. It's insane. Anyway, we've got plenty of footage from around the cliffs, which is good. But we're going to get stuck into our lunch and we'll catch you back soon. Battery from the first one is at 8%. And back on the van.